What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks, and we're back at it again, you guys. Look, guys, you guys see me right now, bro. I look absolutely crazy. I need a haircut, and as you guys see, my car is extremely dirty. I feel like I haven't got a wash in like 2 months. So right now, this is a fit, nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm actually got an, oh my god, yo, hold on, look at this car, bro. This car looks, I don't know if I can see that, but this car looks freaking crazy. But right now, I got an appointment for a car wash at my boy's shop. Or not at the shop, but it's like outside, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go pull up over there. And today's just gonna be like a vlog of everything I gotta do, because I also have to go get a car wash. I mean, not a car wash, I also have to go get a haircut. And then my boy came down from Wisconsin, and he's gonna be hanging out here for the week. So I'll probably go meet up with them. As you guys already know, my car ain't got no gas. I need battery replacement. This thing needs a lot of things, bro. But anyway, take you guys along. I'm trying to hurry up though, because my haircut appointment is at 6, and then my car wash is at 5. So I kind of have to, hurry up a little bit. I'm not even gonna have time to go get gas right now, but that could wait. But I hope you guys are doing good, man. What's going on with y'all? I feel like, I haven't recorded a video in like a couple days, maybe like a week. Not even a week, maybe like 5-6 days, something like that. But we back, man. I've been needing a car wash for the longest, and I just been kind of putting it off just because I don't even know why. I just haven't got a car wash, so today's the day we do that. We are in the 440i. Car is so dirty, bro. I don't even know how I've been driving this car this way. Like, it's dirty, bro. Like, I told my friend, I was like, yo, bro, I need the craziest car wash you could do, because like this is too dirty for me. Like, it's too bad. Hold on, damn, it's hot in here. Turn that AC on, gang. Oh man. And I need to put the address. Hold on, y'all, because I'm over here just driving, but I don't really know where I'm going type shit. 20 minutes to get a car wash, bro. That's kind of far, I ain't gonna lie. So we get there at 5. If you can get me done fast, because my appointment is at 6, I don't even know if I'm gonna make that thing. But I definitely need a haircut, because as you guys can see, I look absolutely crazy, bro. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, I feel like my hair goes back so fast, bro. I feel like I need to learn how to get myself haircuts. That way I can at least, like, once you get a haircut, that way I can like follow it, like every couple of days, just follow what my barber did, and then I can stay fresh for long, you know what I'm saying? That's like a little hack, I feel like. But yeah, I don't have any of those machines to be doing any of those things, and I'm too scared to mess something up. But look at that traffic over there, bro. That's crazy. That's why I don't like going to the Bronx at this time of day, because at this time, bro, this is when the traffic is crazy, bro. Like, yeah, it's wild going to the Bronx at this time. Like 5, 6, 7 is probably the word. 5, 6, and then 7 is alright, but after 7 you valid. Like, there's no traffic, none of that. You guys been showing a lot of love in the videos so far, so I appreciate you guys. We're gonna continue to do our thing, bro. I want to bring some, different kind of videos as well, in terms of like, it's like giving y'all some game, man. So like, you know what I want to do, bro? I want to go to the city, right, and just kind of talk to people that got mad bread, bro, so he can put us on, or she or he, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that would be cool. I feel like, we always trying to figure out how to make more money, and who better to talk to us about money than somebody that got it? You know what I'm saying? So if you got money and you'll be watching me, bro, hey, let's do a little interview, bro. Let's see what you about. You know what I'm saying? But I think that would be a really cool idea. But easier said than done. But I think it's possible. I think we can do it. But we'll make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Let's try something new. Try something different, and see how it goes. We back in the 440,000, looking extremely dirty. Look, I even got a leaf in the car. Like, what? Not a leaf. But yeah, bro, we back in the 440,000. No gas, of course. But you guys know me. You know what I'm about to do, bro? I'm about to change my plate and put no gas. What y'all think? I'm gonna be like, no gas, no money. I need gas. I don't even know. Chip in or something, or like GoFundMe. I don't even freaking know, bro. I was trying to get a haircut earlier today, but my barber said he's packed until 6, so he put me in at 6. So I gotta wait till then. I wasn't trying to wait till then because it's kind of late, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, so we gotta do it when we can. And I don't even know if I'm gonna make that. If I don't make that, I'll just hit him up like, yeah, I can't. You know, it's too late. And then just wait till tomorrow. And yeah, man. We outside though. Give you guys a little POV view of what the heck is going on. Over here, got the big ass yellow bus right here. You got the big ass freaking and I Love New York bus right there. Boy, it passed now, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Oh man, damn, it's still dumb hot in here. What's going on? Oh, it's because I have that shit at 77. Put that down to like 73. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Earlier today, that ass saw the craziest not the craziest, but I literally saw an accident happen right in front of me. So there was this lady, and it was like there was like a dyke and a lady in one car. There's 3 lanes. Well, there was 2, and then there was another one on the far right, which was to like kind of exit. And so there was the dyke and the lady were in the same lane I was at. And then there was somebody else on the left lane who tried to cut. I don't know if you guys seen this, but a lot of people try to do this, and I don't know why. Like, if you're gonna miss an exit, just miss it. You already messed up, you know what I'm saying? So what I don't know who was driving, but they were on the far left, and they tried to cut all the way to the right lane for the exit. But I guess they didn't see that there was a person on this on the middle lane, so they ran right into the car, bro. And I was like, oh shit! I saw the whole thing, and I actually caught it in the camera of my other car. But going through that, it probably has so much footage. Like it was gonna take me forever to even find it. But yeah, I was like, there's no way. And then the dyke, she got out the car OD fast, like she was trying to fight, like. I was like, I ain't even gonna stop. Like, that's, you know, I was working. But yeah, I know it was tight, bro, because he minked that car. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, they got out the car mad tight, bro. But I would be tight. Imagine you just chilling, like in the middle lane, whatever, chilling, and somebody just comes out of nowhere, bro. It just like happened mad fast out of nowhere. Just try to cut through, like all the way to the right. Yeah, nah. I would have been tight, bro. Damn, there's traffic right here. So we're still, like, as you guys can see, we're still 15 minutes away to this car wash, bro. But I definitely need a car wash. But hey, man, there's a lot of traffic right now. So I'm gonna pick you guys back up once I get there. And hopefully my friend don't got more people ahead of me. Because if he do, I dead don't got time to be waiting. I need this, like, ASAP. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. All right, let's go. Nah, bro, traffic on that side is crazy. Y'all see that? It's literally stopped, bro. Welcome to the BX, man. Big Boogie Down Bronx or something like that. But yeah, nah, this is OD, bro. At least this highway is not bad. Like going down to the Bronx, but coming up from there is crazy right now, bro. I'm surprised that there's not more traffic on this side. Usually this highway has hella traffic too. But I guess right now, it's not too bad, bro. This guy in front of me is driving like a freaking grandma. Hold on. Yeah, like, I gotta go, bro. You know? I gotta take, what exit? I gotta take some exit up here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that real quick. Let's get to this shop. Not the shop. I don't know why I keep saying shop. Let's get to this car wash, bro. Yo, as you guys can see, I got the beautiful 440,000 behind me here, getting a wash finally. My boy's getting me right. You always gotta come and support your boys, man. So that's why I pull up on him. Make sure you get my shit looking clean. I know he do his thing. So if you're in New York, bro, in the Bronx, anywhere, bro, pull up with my boy. Go check up his Instagram. I'm actually gonna put it down below. So if you guys want a clean wash, bro, go check him out on Instagram. Hit him up. Say you wanna pull up. Say Stick sent you, and he's gonna get you right, bro. You hear me? Yo, green, really, bro? That's the green right there. I gotta go. Not gonna lie, bro, my shit was looking filthy, bro. Like, I could tell, like, the rims was brown, bro, but now nice and clean. We back outside, baby. Yo, y'all see this shit, bro? This shit look crazy right now, bro. Sheesh. I see the reflection, bro. That shit crazy. Nah, bro, my boy went crazy here. About damn time, man. It's about that time. Oh, so my boy just finished, man. Let me know what y'all think, bro. He did his thing or not? Cause let me tell you something. He went crazy. Look, y'all see the freaking glare on that thing, bro? I can see my whole reflection. That's how you know he did a great job, bro. So shout out to my boy. Look at his stupid ass over there sitting down, tired as head. But hey, man, you already know. Let's get it. So I was gonna get a haircut, but it's too late now. We finished at like 7, so I'm just gonna pull up on my other boy, who I told you guys earlier came from Wisconsin. He's gonna be hanging out here, so we're gonna pull up on him, see what the hell he's up to. But right now I gotta go get some charcoal for the hookah and all that. But yeah, man, hope you guys are enjoying it. The fucking train is coming again, but let's get it in the car, bro. Yes, I still don't got no gas, but at least I got a clean car, though. Sheesh. Finally, man. I feel like I want to drive my car OD now that it's clean, but hey, man, let's pull up on my other boy, see what the heck is going on, bro. So, yeah, man, I'm super excited. My car's finally clean, bro. It's about that time, man. But, hey, let's get it. I got to go do some other stuff. Take y'all long, man. But I'm going to catch y'all in a few, though. Let me go do what I got to do. Probably pick up the camera when I get to my friend's house. And then keep it going like that, man. So I'll see you in a few. What's up, guys? So as you guys can see, it is currently day 2. I didn't get to get a haircut yesterday, but I am gonna go right now. I actually got an appointment with my barber at 3:10. I got a couple things I gotta do today. Like I'm gonna give out a full bag of clothes, but before I do that, I need to get this haircut because he told me he was waiting for me, and I'm already late. You guys know Boy Sticks is always late. But anyway, yesterday I got a car wash, so my car is looking extra clean right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys when I get there. So let's get to my car because I'm a little late, so I can show you guys what the car is looking like right now, and then we can kind of go from there. So yes sir, another day, another dollar. You know what I'm saying? Not really, but yeah, we outside. All right, I'm gonna catch you in a few. Let me run through my car. So guys, as you guys see, I need some freaking gas too, bro. Don't worry, I'm actually gonna get some gas today because this is crazy. 10 miles left. Like, nah, this is no good. So I'm gonna go get some gas as well after my haircut. Do that. I also have a mod, a small little mod that I've had for the longest. I don't even know how many months now. That it's for your doors, like the light. I don't know what that light is called though. When you open the door, like the little light on the floor. So I have a BMW one that I got from Inline 6 Auto, and I might actually install it today. Actually, why not? I feel like I've had it for so long. I feel like I should do that, as well as because I ended up changing my plates as well. I got to put on my new plates, and yeah, so I do got a couple things to do. But first things first, I need to get this haircut because as you guys can see, your boy is looking extremely rough. And my barber just called me. He's like, yo, don't leave your house late because there's a lot of traffic. And knowing me, I said that still ended up leaving late. But anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to the barber shop. I gotta really get there right now because I don't want them to wait for me too long and then have somebody else sit in front of me because I don't got that type of time to be waiting for somebody else to get a haircut, you know? So catch you in a few though. Let's go get this haircut and let's go, baby. Yo, I am back, baby. Feeling brand new. I just finished with my haircut, you guys. What you guys think, man? Let me know, man. I feel like a brand new person, bro. I feel so accomplished, bro. Like yesterday, I got a car wash. Today, I went ahead and got a haircut. I also have some clothes that I'm gonna be giving away. And I also got a couple other things I gotta do. Well, I gotta get some gas because I literally have 0 miles left. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my tank and show you guys how much it costs to fill up this car, bro. Because I feel like, I don't even know, man. I mean, I haven't filled this car up in a while. Honestly, I've been putting like $20 every time I put gas. But, you know what I mean? If I can do all those things, and I also got a little mod that I'm probably gonna be installing today. So if I do all of those things, I'm gonna feel very accomplished and proud of myself because honestly I've been putting it off for a very long time. I don't know why. I just haven't done it, and today I'm in a good mood. I have some energy and I feel like why not do everything I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna head to the gas station, so I'm actually gonna see you guys there. Hopefully they have like a clothes drop off spot where I can just drop that off right there. That would be pretty, you know, amazing. So I'm gonna catch you guys at the gas station. I'll see you soon, baby. Finally at the gas station. Damn, this one was stuck in there, bro. I haven't put gas in my long or something. Just say. All right, hold on. I can't let y'all see my card, man. Well, there's not much in there, but you know, still. Hold on. How much is gas we at, bro? Here is 489. Let's see how much this thing takes on my freaking money, bro. 440,000. But while it's getting gas, let's go ahead and show you guys a little bit more, man, because we're right in the sun now, so you can actually see it. Like, you see the rims, bro? They're looking so much cleaner. Forget the sun, but look, it's so much better, bro. Hold on, let me zoom. Yo, it's looking so clean, bro. It's been a while. 440,000 came back to life. Let's go. But it doesn't look like there's anywhere I can drop off clothes here, so I'm gonna have to go to a different gas station because I don't see anywhere I can drop it off. So I'll probably put some gas, then go to another gas station, and hopefully we can find somewhere I can drop these clothes off, bro. So far we're at $25 though. I'm guessing we'll hit like $67, $70 maybe. I don't know, but let's see what happens. All right, so look. 71. I don't know if I can see that because the sun is kind of beaming. About $71 to fill up the tank. Sheesh. If you're wondering how much gas that is, bro, it's 377 miles. That will probably last me like 4 days, but that's besides the point. But anyway, let's go ahead and run somewhere, drop off this clothes, and we can keep it going, you know what I'm saying? Finally, bro, I went to 2 different gas stations, and that little thing right there, that's what we're looking for. So let me go ahead and drop this off real fast. And then keep it rolling, bro. To be honest, we're doing a good deed today, you heard? We're back at the crib. I'm gonna be showing you guys the 2 things that I gotta do. One of them being is I got a new license plates to put on my car. They're not custom made. I am gonna get these custom. But for the meantime, my plates that I have on, the stakes ones that I got on right now, I gotta get rid of because they're no longer active. So I'm gonna put these on for now, and then I'm gonna be getting some custom. But the other mod that I'm gonna be doing today is something very simple, but it's pretty cool to have, I guess, which are the door little lights that when you open the door you can see them on the floor. I got the BMW ones. I actually forgot if I got the M Performance one, the one that says M Performance on the bottom, or the one that just has the BMW symbol. I actually forgot because I've had these for such a long time, but we're gonna be throwing them on today. So this is one of the things I gotta do, and then I also gotta do the plate. So but I'm gonna go ahead and get this started because I don't really have that much time. And is this, oh, it's working again. Alright, bet. So let me go ahead and just switch my plates really quick because that's not going to take very long, and then I'll go ahead and put the lights on my door, and then probably show you guys a little clip later tonight what they look like because it's kind of daytime, so you really can't see anything. But yeah, let's go ahead and do all that stuff. I can kind of show you guys how it's done. I actually kind of forgot, but I'm sure I can figure out because it's very simple. I know for a fact you need like a flathead. I actually have one right here, which is perfect. And then it's kind of simple, so I'll show you guys. But let me just go ahead and change these plates and then go from there. So I catch you in a few, baby. I actually don't have my camera right now, but this is what it looks like. So I can give you guys kind of this is what it looks like. The little badge, that's the little light thing I was talking about under your door. So when you open the door, like the back one, I don't really have anything because it's the back door. The front one, this is what it looks like. And if you guys want to see the difference, this is what my other one looks like. It used to be like it used to have like the M colors, but it's like messed up now, so that's why I'm switching it. So big huge shout out to Inline 6 Auto for sending me that other one. But this is the other one. I don't know why it took so long to change. I really like that one too, but it didn't really show as much as this one does. Like, you can actually see that, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now, but I just wanted to give you guys a little, you know, update on that. So it looks pretty sick though. So guys, as you guys saw, this video was kind of all over the place because as you guys saw, we kind of started it yesterday with the car wash. Today, installing a couple things, doing a couple other things, and all of that. But right now, I'm actually about to head out. I am gonna leave you guys here because I can't take you guys in with me, all right? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.